Good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk to you about the work we've done on drape nets, and that's to evaluate the effect of drape nets on the overall fruit quality of plums. Just a quick introduction. Like we said, plum producers have financial losses due to sunburn and wind marks that results in lower pack-out percentages. And during extreme heat waves, that can lead to high fruit pulp temperatures. And in plums, in certain cultivars, may develop pit burn that is already visible at harvest before you ship the fruit. Other internal disorders like internal heat damage may also develop during this period, and avoiding possible pit burn and internal heat damage that might be initiated during the plum development must be determined. So we've got a few objectives in this trial. The aim was first to evaluate the effect of drape nets on certain fruit physiology and the fruit quality of the plums, and then also determine the effectiveness of the drape nets in avoiding pit burn, external or internal heat damage, and also wind marks that might develop during the growing season. So in this case, we installed drape nets on Leticias and on African light orchids. And the thing with this is we only installed it after hand thinning, so I'll mention that later on again. Then we placed in the orchard, we placed temperature and relative humidity loggers. We installed, and this was installed both underneath the drape nets and also on our UTC trees, the untreated control trees. And we also measured shoot growth, yield. We did an external damage assessment at harvest, where we looked at wind marks, rub marks, insect damage, bird damage, all that. And we also did obviously a harvest, and then we evaluated the fruit after cold storage and after a shelf life period. And obviously the fruit was stored with each requirement if it was single or dual temperature. If we look at some results, that spikes that you see in those pictures, you'll see on the left-hand side is a Leticia orchard, and on the right there's African light orchard. But those, you shouldn't look at that spike specifically, because that's normally maybe in the morning or in the afternoon, where the temperature difference between the fruit that's the temperature underneath the drape net versus without is, for one reading it's a big difference, but then after it stabilizes again. In the African light orchards, we didn't see huge differences in temperatures. If you look at over the 3 seasons, there weren't big differences in temperatures inside or outside the net. We also, the row was that the wind went over the trees and not down the rows, where with the Leticia orchard you had the wind, the main southeaster coming down through the rows. If we look at the quick results, there's some illustrations of the drape nets that we applied on the Leticia orchard. You will see that if there is a odd fruit that's on the outside on a branch, you'll get a rub mark on due to the net that's directly on the fruit. But obviously these trees weren't pruned in a way that you will do if you have drape nets in mind. There is also currently a new system that the drape net guys developed, and I only heard about it after this last season, where they got, they call it the bullhorn, where it's placed onto your poles that will shift the drape net away from the top, so it's more like a curtain. It doesn't on the trees itself, and that will definitely help with reducing that rub marks. And then we've also got the African light trees. These were a bit higher trees, and you'll see there the example of the sunburn that was visible on fruit there that was outside of the drape nets. If we look at the conclusions quickly, the average data from the hottest part, so we looked at the 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., that's your hottest part of the day. There weren't huge differences. With the Letitia plums, we saw less pit burn in the 2023 harvest. That was 2.5% of pit burn in the untreated controls versus only 0.3% in the drape nets. On the Letitias, we also saw a reduction in rub marks at start of shelf, where there was 2.5% in the UTC fruit versus 12.5, 13.3 versus the 6.3 in the drape nets, and 11.3 versus the 1.9, and that's in that respective seasons. If we look at harvest data on African Delights, we saw significantly less sunburn on the fruit that's under the drape nets, and we also had a surprising effect. There was less insect damage on the fruit under the drape net. So that's also a nice way to keep out the moss and the fruit flies. And that's all for me. Thank you very much. Thank you for the funding, and Experico colleagues for assistance. Thank you.